Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to share with you a really very easy recipe on how to eliminate stretch marks with essential oils. So if you are interested, then keep on watching the video till the end. To get rid of stretch marks is really very difficult, so it is better to take a preventative care to avoid them from appearing. Using essential oils will help you to improve skin elasticity as well as stimulate its regeneration. To eliminate stretch marks, you can do body massage, body rubs, body soaks, use body oils, body scrubs. Use any preventative care that you think will help you. Also, you can enrich your cosmetic products that you use for your body by adding from 10 to 5 drops of essential oils to your body milk or cream. So let me share with you the recipe of the body scrub, show you the ingredients, and then I will see you in a bit. So this was the recipe, very quick, very easy and very effective. This scrub will help you to get rid of dead skin cells and improve the penetration of useful components from the scrub into epidermis. As I always say, before using essential oils, make sure that you can use the essential oils and that you don't have any allergies in using them. And that's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, give me the thumbs up, comment in the comment box below this video, subscribe to my channel, clicking on this icon over here or on the red button below this video, and I wish you all the best and I will see you in the next video.